Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete an inventory count from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll need to perform an inventory count. Enter or scan the location of the item. Enter or scan the ID of the pallet the item is on. Only do so if needed. Then enter or scan the item ID or lot number. Enter the item count in the Enter Quantity box. Tap the UOM drop-down list and select the unit of measurement. Now take a photo of the inventory. When you complete the count, tap Open Action Panel. Then tap Submit. If a location contains no inventory, enter or scan the location and then select the Empty Location checkbox. Continue to the next location. You have now successfully completed an inventory count. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.